Hi, welcome back again with Uncle D on my YouTube channel. In this video, uh, we are pretty see our move is very free, right? And we look in the time frame, and this support resistance is breakdown, and now fall down, and I'm not saying about that it is about volatility of the crypto, and this is I'm open position now, and I'm averaging down uh, because yesterday in my pair ETH, Ethereum and USDT, in this look to down. Yes, I'm very interesting about a trade on crypto because this is very fun, and I'm learning about technical analysis and fundamentals from future market on Binance. You can register and make money on. I'll create a link on description video. Thank you.